umaga pa. Alis na kami. Papuntang bahay nila Edmond. Ayan si Baba. And then ayan si Madam. Ganyan ang latest fashion ngayon.
Oo.
Anong tawag dyan? Parang kay Mariel Padilla.
Oo. Yan na yan. May theme party kasi.
Malapit lang kasi yung house nila dito, no?
Super.
And dyan kami nakitira for 2 days. Thank you for the stay. Ang init, grabe. Look at that one. They have what you call this thing? Sink.
For the roadside stall.
With the mirror somehow.
We're just testing out the
Camera.
sports cam. Oh, I'm looking at myself. There.
Ayun si Madam Jong. Wow! Buong artista!
Scary. Scary pala. Ay, wide nga, no? Very wide.
That's why it's nice.
See the whole thing.
This one you should use.
They mount nila in your car.
Yeah.
Can use on the bike.
For the bike. Okay. Ay! Alam mo naman si Jong parang nasa beach. Nasa resort.
Ay, napawit ako.
Oo, wait. Para complete package. Oh, diba?
With my pata.
With her pineapple tart.
By the beach.
Oh, by the beach. Tapos ayun si Baba. Nandito kami ngayon sa house nila ng mama ni Edmond. We just had our brunch. Lunch na pala, nag-breakfast para tayo. Yeah. So, ang spacious ng bahay nila. Meron doon pa baba. Ay, nandun pala si Father. Nandito mismo. Madam Justin. Hindi. Ma? You cannot breathe, ah. Drink water, Baba. Yeah, and our water is from Resort World. Nanonood kami ng cooking show. Then, after this, the hotel is 2 p.m., right?
Usually by 1 or 2 you can check it.
1 can ready.
Yeah, 1 or 2 you can check it.
At least we can put our bags, right? Yeah.
And then I take it out.
And then we will film the Bean Boozle challenge with the hubbies.
Before that, when I'm doing something, they'll pick a video.
Yeah. Kadiri, baby. So yeah, see you later. Grabe ang para kang naka... Ang tawag doon? Yung sa Korea na pag-usapan natin. Dahil yung tsura. Hindi, ang shiny nang dito mo. Normal. See, this is the mom's garden.
You want to leave it here or take to Singapore?
Anything this one is our hotel. You see the possibility so nice. I like. I'm still carrying the balloon. Yeah, Happy will check in. Then Edmond and Jong is going to pop. Hello, andito na kami sa hotel. Mag-check-in kami ni Baba. Sila Edmond at saka si Jong, pinapark nila yung car. Then yung design, Chinese New Year. Tapos ang cute ng mga pusiwilos nila. Buhay na buhay, hindi tulad nung sa amin. Na carry lang. Ito is Baba. What? What is it?
Hair dryer.
Oh, hair dryer. Here's Jong and Edmond. Edmond is playing. We got one big mirror. And this is our view. Yeah, there is the Berjaya Times Square Mall. So the mall is nearby. Then our bus is there.
Visit me when you reach airport.
And guess what my baba doing? Why automatic flash, baby?
One drop flash.
Yeah.
So we are at One Utama, one of the shopping malls, the big one. It's been a long time since I've been here. You can see Chinese New Year decorations. Oh, they are taking photo. The two big people. Yep, so after photo taking, we'll be heading for lunch. Oh, alright. Okay, we're still hunting for food. This one's Chinese medication and Chinese delicacies place. Oh, check it out. Ayo, how many sharks have they killed? Rice is also quite amazing. Oh, what? Seriously? Okay, run. Oh, very big shop. And there they are. The place is very, very big, One Utama. Actually...
Hello, we're here at Pizza Hut. There. Hi, Baba. Picture. Now we're eating pizza. Ay, naumpisa na. Look this smart. Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Kain tayo.
Kain.
Lunch at Pizza Hut. So now, let's grab a photo with the wifey.
Like that sideways. I like this one, the pink. Sideways, baby. Move there. Like that.
Alright, after photo taking, now let's walk around and take a look. Changed a lot since I last came here. A bit more nicer now. With lots of shops again. Around the food hall, so there's some Atian, Seoul Garden, whole lot of food down. We are now at Cinnabon. Yep, and the wifey is getting, and Jong, they are getting some stuff from Cinnabon. All the food is around. Start walking again. Okay.
So now we're going to do the room tour. Baba is still inside. Baby, I wake up. Knock knock. Knock knock. I kick eh. Yeah.
Okay, please.
So this is our room. So the first thing you'll see is the walkway. And then when you turn right, this one, the sliding door with for the covers, for the safe, drawer, ironing board, and the basic thing lah. Then on the other side is nothing, wall and this one. Then here,
we got the corner room.
Yeah, we had the corner room. Then here is the
The cupboard.
Yeah, how come I'm out of breath? Then they got free slipper there and weighing scale. Then here is the way to the bathroom and toilet. So we got one big ass mirror here. Then here is the toilet. Wait, I open first, okay? Yeah, there. And then the bathroom is here. No bathtub. but it's okay lah. Yeah, so it's separate. And on this side got sink. It's here. It's me again. So yeah, the normal stuff there. Then got one mirror here. Then this one is the hairspray, right, babe? Hey, hair blower, right?
Hair dryer.
Hair dryer, then towel. Then we'll go back to the walkway. We got one big mirror there, mirror wall. And here is the room. I'm sorry, it's a bit cluttered already because
We settled in.
yeah, we settled in just now already. So this one is one side table, the usual phone, alarm, and all the control thingy. Then this is our view. I hope you can see
Then
something.
to the right is Berjaya Times Square.
Yeah, I think I told them just now. There's the Berjaya Times Square.
Very
It's a
convenient.
shopping mall. Then below we have the monorail. Yeah. Then the room is there.
And we have a very big mirror here.
Yeah, I told them already. This is our bed. Then my side table is a bit messy already. Our things. Then TV. Yeah, they got desk. Then here is the what you call this string? Oh, mini bar, as in super mini. Oh, and we got a lot of trash already because just now we did the Pin Busog challenge. Then they got one mini fridge. Then yeah, the free drinks, coffee, tea, whatevs. And if you want to order pizza, also can. Yeah. Then you can also do the spa. Yeah. What's this? Then what is this? Oh, the restaurant. Yeah. And yeah, that should be all.
Yeah, hi. I'm calling from room 716.
So yeah.
Yes, you all left a note about the
Bye
food basket.
bye.
Can
Hey, hi. Then we are in the hotel already. There is my baba. It's so dark, cannot see you. Only your bright t-shirt. They put this under, they sleep under the door just now. Under the door.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have complimentary fruit basket. So we say yes because I love fruits. So ka naman ako sa fruit basket nila. I thought fruit basket is just an orange.
3 orange.
Because they got a lot of extra from Chinese New Year. Baby.
So you just have dessert, some orange.
Yeah, maybe when like hungry then got nothing. Oh yeah, you show them the cinnamon, like baby.
What's the cinnamon?
Where's the cinnamon? It's there on your side.
Oh.
Ay, careful, baby. Ay, akala ko naman yung medyo madami-daming klase. But anyway, better than nothing. And it's complimentary. So, just now we went to One Utama and we found cinnamon. Open, baby. Yummers.
We have the top two.
The original chocolate
and this one is
pecan
pecan.
bun. So yeah. So we're going to say
Smells nice.
good night na. Yeah, ang bango, promise.
Good night.
Good night.